Guess the artist from their baby picture.
Oh.
Ice Spice.
You say that I'm good enough, got him out good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't know.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways.
Oh, Scooby Doo? Scooby Dog, next.
And we're interviewing Nickelodeon stars Ariana Grande.
Bernardo Silva. What are you doing, my friend?
Guess the celebrity by their hair.
Oh my gosh.
Ed Sheeran? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Ed Sheeran. I'm in my bag, Ed Sheeran. I'm sorry, bro.
You're lying.
Ariana Grande, is that you?
Yeah.
Yeah, get into it, queen. Bitch, you're not Ariana Grande.
Hey.